Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Shaurya, student of class 9th A, is going to present a thought of the day. Thought of the day is you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Thought of the day is patience, persistence, and perspiration make an unbeatable combination for success. Thought of the day is with self-discipline, almost everything is possible. Thought of the day is discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Thought of the day is with great power comes great responsibility.